Federico. We know it's Monday. That's how I know it's Monday, when I'm talking to him. An 8-figure Italian company wants me to be a full-time copywriter. How much money can I ask? They want to hire him. How much money can I ask for? What's a normal salary for a copywriter in an 8-figure company? Obviously, I'll use RMBC for all the writing. So cool. I have no idea. What do you think, Sabah and Brooks?
Sorry, I'm muted. Yeah, it's hard to tell if I don't know, who the business owner. It's going to be up to the business owner. They have to know how much the copywriter is contributing to that bottom line of the 8 figures in sales, right? Because obviously you'll probably be able to make more if your copy is the one that is generating like a good amount of sales, or is sales coming in from other sources. What kind of business is it? So it really depends. There's not really sort of like a ballpark. It's going to completely depend on the business structure and how sales flow in and out of the business.
And another question that I would ask is, one, why are you considering a full-time opportunity? Like, do you want to be a freelancer? Do you want to be full-time, and why? So I would think about, is flexibility, is freedom, is the guaranteed paycheck? Like, what is it that's so important to you? And think really critically about your decision in that regard. Most of the time when you've got an in-house copywriter, they know the value of a freelancer. That's what they're trying to save a lot of the time. That's why they're trying to bring you in-house. So maybe that experience is important to you. I'd ask whether they have a non-compete or how strict their NDA is, that sort of thing, because I don't want you to get stranded and pigeonholed somewhere and not be able to work if it doesn't work out. And the other thing that I would say is, for a freelancer, you're trying to 10x your value. So it's like the way we teach people to negotiate is, okay, well, how much, based on your empirical data, what do you think you're going to make off of this campaign, this product, whatever? Let's say it's $1 million or whatever. And you figure out what their CPA, their ROAS, their at EBITDA, what all these numbers look like. And what you're trying to do is 10x your value. Well, okay, if this stands to make you a profit of $100,000, then I think it'd be fair to ask for 10% of that amount, since I'm going to put in the lion's share of the work and effort in. So $10,000 would be fair in that case, right? That's how we teach people to negotiate it. So I don't know, man. Again, there's a lot of different factors in here that I'd want a little bit more clarity on to better help advise you.
Yeah, we'll move on to the next one, and then we definitely know how to use the Q&A box, so just drop in the new ones as you go. So